Students, now we will solve some examples from practice set 3.3. Question number 3. Find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. We want all even numbers from 1 to 350. Okay. So here we will write AP first. The AP is all even numbers from 1 to 350 are, now which is the first even number? 2, then 4, next even number is 6. Now we will not write all the even numbers, dot dot dot. We want even numbers from 1 to 350. So before 350, which is the even number? 348. Okay. So last even number is 348. Okay. Now we will write what is given here. A is equal to 2. D is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Not necessary to show this. You can write direct value also. D. Then we know the last term. That means we know Tn is equal to 348. Okay. But we don't know from 2 to 348 between these how many even numbers are there. That means we don't know the value of n. So n is equal to question number. And after finding n, we have to find out their sum. So Sn is also question number. Okay. Now how we will get the value of n, students? So in previous practice set we studied how to calculate n. So to calculate n, we have to apply Tn formula. So we know the Tn formula. So Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into D. Okay. We know Tn, the last term is 348. Therefore, 348 is equal to A equal to 2 plus n we don't know. So n minus 1 as it is and D is equal to 2. So into 2. Therefore, 348 is equal to 2 plus, now we have to multiply this bracket by 2. 2 into n, 2n, minus 2 into 1, 2. Okay. Now this plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled and we will get 2n is equal to 348. 2n is equal to 348. Therefore, n is equal to 348 divided by 2. Therefore, n is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 fours are 8. N is equal to 174. That means there are 174 even numbers. And now we have to find out the sum of these 174 even numbers. And to find out the sum, now we will use Sn formula. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. Close the bracket. Now how many terms we got? 174. That means we have to find out S174. Okay. Equal to 174 divided by 2 into bracket 2 multiplied by 2 plus bracket 174 minus 1 into 2. Now 174 is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 7s are 14. Okay. into bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 174 minus 1 173 multiplied by 2 equal to 87 into bracket 4 plus, now we have to multiply this, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 equal to 87 into bracket 4 plus 346, we will get 350. And now we have to multiply 87 multiplied by 350. So that answer we will get 30,450. Okay? And now we will write the answer according to the question. The sum of, therefore, the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350 is 30,450. Followed? So this way we can calculate sum of n terms of an AP. Okay? Question number 6 from practice set 3.3. The question is sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3,300. Then find its 28th term. Okay? Sum is given and we have to find out term. So first we will write what is given. Sum of first 55 terms is 3,300. So sum of first 55 term we will write as S55, which is given 3,300. And what we have to find out? 28th term. The term is denoted as T and 28 terms. So T 28 is equal to question mark. Okay. So first sum of 55 term is given. So we will apply SN formula. Sum of n terms. So we know the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into d and close the square bracket. Sn means S55. That means here n equal to 55. So 55 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n is equal to 55. So 55 minus 1 into d. Okay. Now this S55 is given 3,300. Therefore 3,300 equal to 55 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1 54. So 54d. Therefore 3,300 equal to 55 upon 2. Now here from this bracket, see 2 and 54 both are divisible by 2. So we will take 2 as a common factor. Take 2 as a common factor. So in bracket we will get a plus 54 divided by 2. We will get 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. A plus 27d. Now these 2 and these 2 get cancelled. This 55 is multiplied with this bracket. So take 55 on this side. Therefore 3,300 divided by 55 equal to A plus 27d. first we will divide this by 11. 11 5s are 55. 11 3s are 33 and these 2 zeros. Then we will divide by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 6s are 30 and this 0. That means A plus 27D we got 60. Here we will give statement number 1. From SN formula we got A plus 27D is equal to 60. Now what we want to find out? T28. So for that we have to use Tn formula. So here we will apply Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into D. We want to find out T28 equal to A plus bracket 28 minus 1 into D. Therefore, T28 is equal to A plus 27D. And here A plus 27D we got 60. So from 1 we will get T28 is equal to 60. So this way we got 28th term. We will write the answer in statement. Therefore, 28th term of given AP is 60.